In continuation to previous lecture of distributed shared memory, we were discussing about the taxonomy. Now, in this atomic consistency, as we have seen in the previous slide, sequential consistency, atomic consistency, then sequential consistency, real-time order weakening in the sequential consistency. Now this real-time order weakening, that is processor relative weakening or access type weakening, casual consistency, processor consistency and slow memory. These are the processor relative weakening. Weak consistency, release consistency or entry consistency, they are access type weakening. There may be processor relative weakening, location relative weakening and no system coherence support. So it gives the complete taxonomy of the different models and different consistencies. Then multiprocessor cache system. This cache system have a cache directory, master copy, and there are certain bits. Then replicated blocks, and they are having E bit, P bits. The the name or the work of these bits. E bit denote the exclusive or shared read only. V bit, it gives the valid or invalid, and P gives the number of processors. This gives the number of processors, this gives valid or invalid, and E gives exclusive or shared read only. V bit for validity in replicas. As we can see, these are the validity in replicas. E bit for exclusive access in all. Uh, it may also include private, that is not shared bit, or dirty, that is modified bit. So in this way, the cache directory is maintained. Cache coherency protocols, write invalidate and write update. So write invalidate, read the hit, read miss, transfer block, set P, V and E bits. As we have seen in the previous slide, P is for number of processors, V for valid or invalid, and E for exclusive or shared read only. So set P, V and E bit, write hit, invalidate cache copies, write and set E bit. E bit means exclusive or shared read only. Write miss, like, read miss or write hit. And the hardware mechanism is directory based and snooping cache. So these are the cache coherency protocols. Distributed shared memory implementation. Memory management algorithm, read, write, exclusive copies of remote, migrate and replicate. Central server algorithm, migration algorithm, read replication algorithm and full replication algorithm. Read remote, write remote, that is long network delay, trivial consistency. Read migrate, write migrate, that is thrashing and false sharing. Read replicate, write migrate, that is write invalidate. And read replicate, write replicate, full concurrency and atomic update. The considerations which are given in distributed shared memory implementation is block granularity, that is the size of the block transfer, communication overhead, read-write ratio, locality of references and number of nodes and type of interaction. So these are the consideration which are given during the implementation of these algorithms and during the implementation of distributed shared memory implementations. Then distributed implementation of directory. Locating block owners, block previous owners, that is probable owners, block probable owners, block probable owners, they send the request, and the current owners, the block and the current owners. So in this way, locating the block owners, request and change probable owner along way. Maintaining copy. Now how the copy is maintained, that is from and to. Copy, maintaining copy list, spanning tree representation of copy set. It shows the spanning tree representation. And the another method of maintaining copy list is linked list representation of copy set, in which the master node is there, invalidate or update, so the master and next node. So in this way, linked list representation of copy set is there. It will send acknowledgement to the requesters and append the node to nil. So in this way, it maintains the copy list. So in this way, we can see the directory in the distributed system.